Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Gonna give you a quick one-take walkthrough on an Aquila 44 power catamaran. Hop on board. Got your step landed. You notice immediately the sea deck on the deck, really nice color, accents the upholstery really well, especially with the light interior on the inside, which we'll get to in a minute. You notice here at the aft seating area, drop down table too creates a really nice lounging area. Check this out. This is a ringer on Aquila 44s. What makes them a showstopper. Open that up. Opens up the whole boat nicely. You got yourself a bar area right here. You notice inside, this is a light interior package, really easy on the eyes, really cool, especially in Florida. Make your way over here, you see that you have your refrigerator and freezer down below. Great amount of storage on these boats too if you are looking to live on them or maybe do the great loop like some other Aquila owners have done. Kitchen right here, induction cooktop, your microwave oven right there. Common question I get, what is this? It's where the champagne goes in the well right there. Also, it's a good place to serve drinks, especially when complemented by the bar that we pointed out earlier. Follow me down here. You see nice and easy access to your breaker panels. Got your Fisher Panda generator, all your switches for your batteries down in here. Tell you everything that's going on with the boat. And of course, your breaker panel right there. Follow me down into the starboard stateroom. Nice thing about the Aquila 44, they do a great job separating the head and where you're going to sleep. You do have a dry head in there, which means that of course the shower is separated from the rest of it. Over here, I've spent a weekend on these boats, very comfortable. You're not really feeling like you're on a little boat, you're feeling like you're on a yacht. Part of the reason for that, over here you see that Aquila does a great job of letting natural light into the boat, so you can kind of always have a nice view out of your bedroom window. Make our way on up. Before we move forward, over here on the port side stateroom is going to mirror the one we were just in. You see with the dry head over there. Another bed back here, and of course that natural light really kicks things up a notch. Let's head on up. So this is unique here. You don't see a lot of this. This is a lower helm package or interior steering. Nice to have if you plan on going up north or places with a little bit of colder climate. You can drive from down below. You have that option with, of course, all your Raymarine electronics. Table over here, which is going to fold up if needed. Follow me down here to what really makes the Aquila 44 such a popular model, and that's the full beam master stateroom. See our Go Boating kit right here. Everything that comes with a boat. You don't need to go to wherever to buy extra stuff. That's all included with MarineMax. Full beam master right here. You see you have an area to do your work, set up your laptop, a nice vanity over there. And then what I'm a huge fan of, especially in the master stateroom, you have a really impressive head, master head, with a good amount of headspace too. No pun intended. So Aquila did a great job with this. Follow me on up to the flybridge where all the magic happens. You have actual steps here, not a ladder. I think that is one of those little things that Aquila does that just sets themselves apart from the competition of other power catamarans out there. Great entertaining area back here. Why would you entertain up here? Check this out. Got a grill, do all your grilling. Also a ice maker right here. This table does fold up. Here at the helm, this is one of the most spec'd out Aquilas on the market. Bow thrusters, yacht controller. This is truly a state-of-the-art catamaran. Really easy to drive. Even those models that don't have the bow thruster, such an easy boat to drive without a steering wheel. You're just jockeying the throttles because the engines are so far apart. You'd be surprised how quick you can look like an expert on an Aquila 44. As a captain that spends a great amount of time driving these, sometimes by myself, I can't tell you how nice this is, being able to walk up and down here, especially when you're docking by yourself. You notice right here, this particular model is equipped with a bow seating area. I can't tell you how nice this is when you're out entertaining. You got all the kids up here, everybody's having fun. Really does a great job of utilizing this space to kind of lounge out in Florida sun. Once again, I'm Captain Nick from MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is an Aquila 44 power catamaran. Come on down, let's show you around and get you out on your next boat. Bye guys.